Ajui pau changa pamili ajui khanta ya pau bin Manipur state government na ajung merik aina hanga chi state hili number si khura khawai insurgency group psychology ni ko chi sa khawai khamang so meeting dalai da hanga kala nachma hitula Manipur governor na hangya human rights protect sa khami kala security forces na hinda force sitin hi prevent sa khawai mi shi thaira kala state hiwi highway secure sa khami sakhina khamata ya akhana da hangya hiwi wang aina government of India reserve patran khani hi recruit sam hundalai da hangya Maramton Postco College na organize salaga CRPF shipai hangmati terrorist na purwana khali ka pathai jali shimkhu bingli ketot khungkhum sada aya candlelight procession sahira February 14 than Catholic school Tangkhul khalai school gate ayali IED bomb jupum hai sada aya tarik 20 Manipur police aina kaitham mambi battalion of 9th sector Assam Rifle na IJAR we azingni twins operation sada in khamong le how the inspect sakhang li KCP kader tukhui haira kola tukhui ka haya mi chinala uning ate haira ta SP Hopington protestant ana hanga class 10 exam jingri aina district really reaching show sada tha haira Hesnam Sarat Kumar li February 17 li Kepul Lamjau National Park siwa sat hawa chuwang prestati li tuksang laga tika hai chuwang JC na organize salaga yawi meeting sara Twitter Traka Kuhaira JC aina all Manipur Thanga People Welfare Association na hang ati shuda Shokta Krai Psychology Masok Krai Khawai Kala Peaceful Environment Le Khawai Meeting Hi Khangwa Tamil Nadu State Di Jingkung Kutung National Government Hospital Le Blood Transfusion Kasahi HIV Positive Nasa Saya Da Hanga Kitang Shini Wiki Lira Kapena Da Hangwi Kala Hospital Jimna Ashi Wiki Malimana Da Klem Sahira Achu Wipau Ni Kangtina Sahira Psychology Mampamirno